Hey guys, and welcome back to the Zoom video series. We just finished installing Zoom and now we're ready to join a meeting. So there are two ways to join a meeting. You can get a link like this, or you can get a meeting ID and password like this. Sometimes you can get both. So let's start with the first one. Disregard this. This is just because I have this on my WordPad. But if you were to click this normally, you don't want to get this message. So it's going to open up a web browser for you. And it's going to ask you open Zoom. You're like, yep, I want to open Zoom. And then once this pops up here, you can close out the browser. And now you are at the screen right here. Now you're kind of in the meeting right now, but you have to wait for the host to let you in. Some people have this feature turned on like I do. Some of them don't have that turned on, just let you join right in. But I have this feature right now. So I'm going to let myself in. I have my account on another device, so that's how I'm doing this video, so we can show you how it works. So I'm going to edit myself in. Goes in. Before this happens, you may get a video prompt saying, do you want to use join with video? I would yes, because we're doing a video chat, and then you can check off automatically join with video when joining a meeting. I'm actually going to turn this on to check this off as well. Once you click that, it's going to join into this meeting. You're going to get this pop-up, and you want to click join with audio, but beforehand, click this little blue check mark so that way it automatically joins by computer audio when you join in, because you are using your computer audio, and that's how you're going to talk, because you're on your computer or on your device or whatnot. So after you do the check mark, you're going to hit join with computer and audio, and I'm going to mute myself real quick so you don't get the echo. Now you're in the room. You've entered the room and you're ready to start chatting with people. So Len, I'm going to exit out right now and I'll show you the other way to enter. So the other way to enter is you're going to need this meeting ID and a password similar to this. These are random, so you won't be able to use these after this video. So once you get all that, you have that ready, you're going to join a meeting, and then you're enter the meeting ID. We're going to hit 7, 6, 7, there, boom. Next thing is you're going to enter your name. I already have it set because I've already joined meetings before, and I have it set to remember my name for future meetings. This is automatically checked when you first install the program anyways. Where it says do not connect to your audio, turn off my video. You don't have to worry about that right now. You have control of these features when you join in the meeting, as I will show you in a little bit. So once you enter your meeting ID and your name, you're gonna hit join, and they're gonna ask you for the password. I recommend just copying the password because these are case sensitive, which means that it has to be uppercase, lowercase, or numbers. So if you just copy and paste it, you don't have to worry about getting the password wrong. So you just copy and paste it in, and then you hit join meeting. All right, I'm back to here. I'm gonna have to let myself in again. Boom. And now I'm in a meeting again. Now I'm back in, and that's the other way to join in a meeting. One thing I'm gonna mention this in another video, but one thing I kind of highly recommend you guys do is if you join into a meeting later on, into the meeting, like you're missing the first 15 minutes of whatever session or meeting you were in. When you first join in, please make sure you mute your video and sound if you need to. If you need to keep your video on, that's fine. But if you turn it off immediately, it could help you with any lag issues. With the mute, it's already muted. You can see this red line on it. That's not muted. That's muted. So that helps out. So that way, if you're not interrupting the host or whoever is teaching or speaking. So I highly recommend you make sure you make sure that there's a red line crawling across the video and the microphone. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this meeting real quick, and that's how you join a meeting. Thanks guys, and we'll be back, and I'll show you what the sign in the next video.